All right, hello everybody. We are back with some Glenville reviews, and I just bought this at the Aquarium Expo a few hours ago in Secaucus, New Jersey. There was an Aquarium Expo, so I went over there. We checked that out, and they had this kind of stuff there too. So I bought it. The guy sold it to me, gave me a real good price. It's called the eMP10. I don't know. It's supposed to massage your back and help with muscles. Who knows? Let's just try it out and see if it works. Let's open it up, see what it includes. So we threw in extra pads as well, because I asked him to. So we threw in a bunch of these pads. These are the pads that get hooked up to the machine and stick on your back or whatever. So he gave me a bunch of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gave me 7. What did he say? He gave me 8. I guess he lied. Oh no, he did give me 8. There's another one right here. Okay, so he did give me 8. And there's 8 pads, and they usually only give you 2. So that's pretty cool. And then here's the massage shoes that they give you with it, right here, made in China. I don't know what that means. I guess that's why he didn't say it was made in the U.S. I mean, I don't have a problem with it being in China. I'm just, thought it was made in the U.S. or something. All right, let's go. Open these up. So we're gonna pull these out of the box. They come in a little plastic thing. Is it sealed? No, it's not. You just open them up like that. It's not a sealed bag, which would have been a little cool if it was a sealed bag. So here's what they look like. They have these little metal things that send pulses through your feet, and they're supposed to relieve muscle stress and stuff like that in your feet and in your legs, is what I'm told. So let's see. This is where the connection goes, right there. And it says one size fits all. I don't know how that is. That doesn't make sense. But whatever, who cares? We'll figure it out and we'll just do it. But we're going to do a review with my mother right now, and we're going to see if she likes it and how she feels about it. And we're going to do a little review and see how it feels. So yeah, these are what come with it. Came in here. And then here's the machine itself right here. Comes in this little box right here. Open this up. Let's pull this open. Okay, there's what it looks like right there. It charges very easily, from what the guy told me. It's not touchscreen, which would have been nice for the price that I paid. It would have been nice to have a touchscreen, but there's no damn touchscreen. So here it is right here. That's what it looks like. I don't know if it'll turn on this second, or I got to put the battery in. Let's see what's in this box. This is my first time opening it. There's a little manual in here. Muscle stimulator, it's called. Okay. You can't use this, obviously, if you use a heart rate monitor and all kinds of other stuff like that. You can't be using this, obviously. So I wouldn't use it if you have any problems with your heart or something like that. Then this is not a product for you. So there we go. Oh, look, there's 2 pads. That's the pads that it comes with. There's 2 extra pads in there, so now I got 10. I don't know what this thing is. What is that? I don't know what this is. Looks... I don't know what that is at all. We got to read the instructions. What's this? The charging cord. So it comes with a little charging cord. This bag is sealed up.
Can you use it? Charge it first?
I hope so. Let's see. If I can't, then I got to stop the video. Obviously, we'll charge it a little bit, and we'll do it after dinner. So, so they give us a cable right here. Looks like it's about maybe 3 feet long. I'm guessing maybe. Yeah, 3 foot long cable usually is a common standard. So this is the charger for it. You charge it into the wall. So we might have to charge it before we test it out. So I got to stop the video, and I'll just add the video on to the thing of us testing it out. Let's see. Here's the charger. Goes in like this. Let's read it up. Let's see what it says for you guys. There, you guys can look at it. Now it's nice and clear. But it says 0.3 amp output, 5 volt. Okay, so 5 volt means you can pretty much use anything. So I just wanted to check the voltage and see if it was 5 volts. So it is 5 volt. It comes with 2 of these for both feet. Obviously, can't come with 1. That wouldn't work. That doesn't make sense. So it comes with 2 of these. I don't know how long these are. Let's see. I'll open it up real quick for you. Let you see how long it is. Let me see. What am I, 5, 6? What is this, 5? Maybe 5 foot cord?
Yeah.
Right? About 5 foot?
You're 5'8", right?
Yeah. No, 5'6". 5'6", yeah, I'm little. Okay. Oh, there is 2 knobs on this, which is weird. So you can have up to 4 pads on at the same time, I guess. You can have 2 on the lower back, 2 on the upper back. I would only probably do 2 at a time. You know what I mean?
Depends on where you paint it and how much.
I put this on at the show, and the intensity, it goes up to 20. On 5, I was like, whoa, you got to get used to this. It's strong. Like, I'm going to have to start you off with 2 or 3 on the intensity out of 20. There's no way you're going to be able to take a 5 to me. I was like, whoa, that's strong. And it goes up to 20. So, yeah, there's nothing else in the box. That's it, blah, blah. I don't know what else that is. Let me see if I can... Oh, here it is, number 10. Pad sticking board. Oh, so you stick the pads to that. I wonder if you probably have to clean this with alcohol. This is the pad. It's called the pad sticking board. So that's pretty cool. Features are 2 output channels with A and B separate intensities, 9 different massage modes, 20 levels of intensity per channel, 10 to 60 minute timers, a large LCD screen, that's not touch, internal rechargeable lithium battery. There's a lifetime warranty purchase. If the company goes out of business, then that's no use to you. And I've seen that a lot before. These companies come and go. They make stuff at shows, and then you call them up a year or 2 later, and they're out of business, and they make $1 million off their product, and that's it. They close business, and they're gone. So yeah, hopefully I can't really rely on this warranty. Replacement pads, massage shoes. Oh, and I already got the massage shoes and replacement pads. The only thing I don't get is lifetime warranty, which, like I said, I've seen a lot of these companies come and go, and it sucks. Operating instructions are on here, safety precautions. I'm not going to go through all of those. Maintenance and care. Always switch it to off when you're removing the pads so you don't get shocked. That's very important. Charge the unit every 3 months. Voiding warranty. And then it gives you instructions on where to put the stuff on your back. See it? Right there. It gives you where to put the stuff. So where to put the pads and all this other stuff. So yeah, let's turn this on, see if you can get up, see if you can look at it, and see what you guys can see. Let's see, let's open it up. It's gonna go like this, right here. Where is the power button? Is that the power button? The power button, what is that? Oh, that's the power button, turned it on, bam. Ooh, it's got a full battery, mama. Yeah, so we're good. We're going to do a little test. We're going to see how my mom likes it in the review. Let's see. It's only on A. So we're going to do the feet first. That's probably the more simple thing to do. So, like I said, that goes in like this. There's all... Oops. So yeah, there's all different reviews, stuff like that. I'm going to stop the tape. I'm just going to have to, you know, check it out and see what's up. Our food is here. We ordered Chinese food. They always care about what we're going to eat, Mommy. My brother-in-law's here. Here he is. There he is over there. He's delivering our Chinese food for us. That's not his job, but, you know, just saying that's what he's doing. So anyway, intensity, blah, blah. I'm going to stop this tape. I'm going to make another one of a review after I eat some dinner, and we test this out with my mom and see how she likes it. And I'm going to go through this a little bit so I can explain it better when talking to you, not just... This is the first time I opened it. I have no idea how to use this thing at all. So this is all a big guess to me. So yeah, intensity, blah, blah. So after I read this, and I'll see what's up, and then I can give a better review about it and say, oh, this is great, this is sucks, this is awesome, whatever the case may be. So let me make another video, and thank you, everybody, for watching this. And I'll be right back. All right? Thanks. Bye.
Where's my puppy? Oh,
Your puppy? Where's the puppy? All right, so I got to look at this thing a little bit better. Plugs into the top. There's 2 outputs on the top, A and B. That's how you control them on the screen. Like I said, this isn't touch screen. And then it goes down to the wires, which go to the flip-flops, or whatever you want to call them, sandals, massage shoes, whatever. It goes right there. See where they go right there? Hopefully that doesn't get in the way. Put your foot on, strap in. I just tried it with socks. It's not as strong with socks on, so we're going to try it with my mom without socks on. And like I said, it just goes right to here. And you only do is just turn this on, as so, right here, bam, on. And it turns on, there you go. Can you see that? Let's see. There we go. So yeah, there's A and B down there. So you can go through all the different modes. All you do is hit the M button. Oh, there you go. Now you can see much better. So there's all the different modes. You can go through them. Obviously, we're going to go to the ones that say feet when we're going to do it for my mom and check that out. And then A and B, you just switch between A and B, the levels. So if you have 2 coming out on the top, B obviously would be the right, A would be the left. And then this is how you set the power levels right here on the left and the right. That's the intensity level, or how strong you want it. The timer is on the top, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, 60 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever. And that's kind of how it works. You could see a lot better when it doesn't light up and you can see which ones all they are, but that's kind of how it goes. See, there you go. So that's what it looks like. That's how big it is compared to my hand, so you guys can see, have an idea. So let's try it on my mom. Let's see how she likes it, and we'll get a review of how it's going to feel. Here. Toby, what are you doing?
I can see down there.
No, I can't. But I'm going to film it when I put it on.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Little Tobies.
Well, we don't really want his butt, and that's not what we want a picture of.
I know. So we're going to slide these on her, and let's see how she likes it.
You know, he's gonna.
Slide these on. As so. Good?
Mm-hmm. There you go.
Good?
Now don't put it on like too high.
No. I'm going to put it on like 2. Alright, so let's do this. So we're going to turn this on.
Don't forget, I might be more sensitive than someone else.
Yeah, I know. So we're going to turn this on. Let's see how she likes it. We're going to go to feet. It's already on feet. Tell me if it starts to kick on. Ready? Feel anything? Feel anything?
No.
You feel anything?
Yes.
There we go. That's 3.
That's 3?
That's 3. How's it feel?
I feel it. I feel it.
Is that good enough?
It feels pulsing.
Okay.
It feels very low, but let it do, you know.
You want to leave it like this for a little bit, or you want to go one more higher?
Go one more higher.
One more higher. Ready? You'll feel the difference. Ready?
Yep. Now I feel
I felt it? Okay. So this is what it looks like when it's lit up. We're trying to do it, like I said. Getting a review, what she feels.
Weird.
You're only on the minute for 10 minutes, but how does it feel? It's supposed to relieve stress in the
It feels
feet.
very weird, you know. Like,
Is it pulsing or is it just on? Is it pulsing
moves
on and
down
off?
it moves down my foot, like from the top to the back.
Got it.
From front to back.
Oh, okay. So it does a little wave.
Yeah.
Very small wave.
And
Okay.
again, it's on light. So
It's on very light.
It's not, right.
So it feels good. Like decent?
Mhm.
Like, can you see yourself being able to relieve
If my
muscle?
feet hurt, yeah, I guess, yeah.
It would relieve the muscle
Since
stress.
they don't hurt, it's.
Huh.
But yeah. But
All
I
right.
guess, again, you would have to sit here for the 10 minutes and let it.
Yes, and let it do its thing. It's not going to work if you leave it for 2 minutes. Yeah, I know. So this is good. Yeah, if you have a bad day, you walked around a lot.
It feels weird, you know. But it's very light, like a little light tingle.
A little light tingle, right?
A little light tingle going right, you know, from the ball of the foot to a little bit on the toes, and back.
Got it. All right.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So yeah, that's a little review of us putting it on. Her opinion, like I said, it goes from the front to the back. This is the first time her trying it. I just picked this up at the aquarium show a few hours ago, and I have sciatica. My sister does, and everyone has back problems here, so I got this for her as well, and hopefully it will help out with her feet. And that's it.
You can use it on the back too.
And you can use it on the back. Yeah, we're going to do reviews on that too, but I'm just showing you a review on this and how we get a little idea of what's going on. All right, so thank you everybody for watching Glen Velvet Reviews. I appreciate it. And if this helped you out, give me a thumbs up. Please let me know about the comments below. If you have the same exact thing, any tips or tricks, post it below. If you have the same exact item, maybe you got it from the Aquarium Expo as I did. And subscribe to my channel. I'm always trying to put reviews on here to help people out with anything that I get or buy or do. So this way everyone has a better idea and opinion or more choices on what they can do or decide to buy or whatever. So nice talking to everybody. Have a good one and enjoy the rest of your time. Bye bye.